Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Amin lah cuma persoalan itu kan. Ruko. Komiti pula suka laki.
Gimana? Kira aku aku lihat mah. Yang cái nàyวันที่ได้ไรกันตัวที่วันนี้ละมุada peran itu ke senang dan hadir.
Iya ada berani senang. Senang gila. Am snap.
Rai tambah sing lepe ne.
Senang ke dien kok. Korba fiami.
Sini. Tahun pun.
Kok kemudian klik.
Awan rong bak sini.
Kena kewan rong basnong ulit tang rong basnong dia katakan ini
Engi ko ni.
Gumnong ta. Biang, sama pintikan aja itu. Kata, ayo syurah tinggi bagi kita ban kenria. Ingin nom lek tak kadau. Kendong sakhi kata kita Islam ter.
Mentang dan komiti mentan seberai.
Shitayo hadian ka Jingwan Bu ya ka Khardop Lum Khajana Bairung da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ha Khanduli West Giant Hills District kinong yalam jong ki seng bhalang bapher kila yo lat ban penpau ya ka Jing Persha jong ki halor ka te ka Khardop ha ka Deputy Commissioner ja ka West Karbi Anglong District ka Krishna Barwa Hashnong Khanduli ha ka sining kong menta ka tayo kinong yalam seng bhalang ki bakantop yo General Secretary jong ka Jantia Students Union Utrebor lang Suchen Bat kiwe kilapan pawa ke DC bagate ka Jaka bawan bu Khardop ka KAAC kanang hap pura hapo uput usam joka snong Khanduli kat ba ampat da penbet sam da ki sarkar jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya shu Trebor ula dawa ya ka DC ban wengno iki pulet Assam bala bu ban apahara hasnong Khanduli la shitayo tam ha kani ka Jaka Ula penrap balada la wengnya ka Khardop Lum Khajana Bairung jong ka KAAC ka Jingsop kalawan pahi dala di sya katika tan Nakaliang jaga Deputy Commissioner jaga West Karbi Anglong kala kular banyakren bat penskau sya ka KAAC halor ka Jing Persha jong ki seng bhalang bat ka Dwarba Snong Khanduli halor ka Jingwan Bu Khardop ha ka Snong Khanduli bat ka Jingdawa jong ki badeban wengno ya katika Khardop Mardor ka Deputy Commissioner kala pensyairu ba ka Jingbu iki pudet Assam katika Jaka kalong ka Bashipur na kabentaban penne ka Shongsok Shongsan ha ka than Kalaban raba an sa wengno ikipulat Assam anda ka Shongsok Shongsan kalawan pai. Hashwa be kiseng bhalang bat kinong ilam snong ka Khanduli kinpoy siya katika Jaka balabu ka Khardop jong ka KAAC kaladan ka jinge pen ibor ha pedeng ki magistrate bat he pulet bat kiseng bhalang hajan ka BOP Meghalaya. Kiseng bhalang kilakwa malet turbon ngot siya katika Jaka hendai ki magistrate bat ki he pulet Bat kisipay CRPF, kilala bantiak la kami kiseng bhalang bala sya tang arphongut bandet sya katay ka Jaka balabu ka Khardop.
We just had a meeting along with the public. So I would say we have came up with a resolution that we wanted peace in this place.
Yeah, definitely.
So that there will be a trade
from
and
both sides, from your side also, from this side also.
But we want to make sure that there will be no permanent structure will be erected in this place.
Yeah.
Along with the signboard. They have removed the signboard.
We have removed the signboard. No?
So we wanted from your side
Yeah.
that we are actually sending a very strong message to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that this place does not belong to.
No, that is a different issue.
But issues, but we understand. But once you provoke with signboards, with erection of taxis and all that,
This already has been
Mio klamo.
No, it's okay. Proceed. Yes.
So we just had a resolution. Good point. Okay, we just had a resolution. So we wanted peace in this area. Peace will prevail. And from our side, we have came up with resolution is that there will be no permanent structure erected by the Assam. There will be Anglong Autonomous Council or any tax will be put up in this place. So until unless that is not put up,
we have already conveyed the message to them. Like till there's your state committee is there, our state committee is there. They will be meeting very soon, and before that, nothing should be erected over here.
So anything on written? in black and white, so that we have to make. Otherwise, we don't want people from your side and our side
Why
to
written? Why
have any
written?
communal conflict.
Okay, then we have saw this, but I don't think.
As the leaders,
okay, madam.
as the leaders, as the
Okay.
leaders,
See, madam.
you have to make your people understand.
So,
They
see, madam.
are in peace actually.
For the last 2-3 years, this area is very peaceful. Okay, these are two communities, Assam, Karbi and Prang. We are helping each other
Yeah.
in the various activities. But suddenly they erect this tax gate here. Because of this only, it create a problem. So just now we have taken a resolution. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they should remove immediately
You can
this
from your
tax
side,
gate
your
and as well that
resolution,
police
yeah.
they stayed here. Otherwise,
Means our this post will be here for temporarily. Because
no, madam.
See, this is the proof. I just got this from
No,
some
madam.
members. See this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, blah blah and so on. It's in Khanduli.
Imam, actually,
Wait for the regional committee, so-called the interstate boundary redemarcation, all that committee. Sit out first. Let the head,
they should decide.
the high-level
They should
committee
decide.
sit first, and let peace prevail in this area and no permanent structure, and let these people also live in peace to their own area.
okay.
Okay.
As of now, we request.
we convey your
we
message.
No, since you are the head of the
Whatever
district,
yes.
you can take a
Yeah,
decision.
we will, but you can also, because in that meeting, I think 2-3 days back that we had it in Joy, the council people are also there. So we have also requested them, somebody have to take a step forward. So from your side, whatever say concerns and issues you have, you can just convey to him, just convey. Right.
So any assurance from your side, madam?
I am here to look after the administration.
Madam,
So let's have a deadline so that peace will prevail.
I cannot give you the deadline right now because I have to discuss with the minister.
Actually, ma'am, this
DCP
kid,
also there.
this kid.
We will convey everything. That is been conveyed also. Already they know.
Since you are in the administration,
When they bring commercial type, this and that also,
see
they they have to
the
pay
main
the fees
provocation
here.
is Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. What happened in Mukro and what's happening now? Like, time and again, this is happening. Okay, so you are the mediator who could bring peace, who maintain law and order in the both district of the state. So you should take the masses
Yeah,
message,
definitely.
the public
We-
message.
yeah, definitely
We,
we'll be
the
informing
people of
them.
Meghalaya do
Yeah.
not want any temporary check gate here. We don't want any police of Assam or Karbi Anglong security out here. Then peace shall prevail because you are both human. We're not alien, right?
You see, madam.
Karbi are not alien. They're tribal also. They're not non-tribal. We have a tribal relationship with them as well. So we are staying together in Shillong. We've been living together. But when it comes to border issues, who instigate? It's always the administration, not your administration. I would say the Council of Karbi Anglong. So this is the problem that happened again and again because why they know this. The regional committee of both the state are actually coming to the phase 2 to settle up the boundary issue. And 1951 of the notification of the so-called governor of Assam, back then we were in Assam, so that has to be quashed because why block 1, block 2 belongs to Meghalaya. So that's on the high level. I'm just
that
telling
is
you,
the
so
high
you
level.
to
Yeah,
know
I
some
know,
knowledge
I know,
about
I know,
what's
I
happening
know.
around
I know.
both states.
I know this 1951 documentation. I know all about.
We'll have to speak about it. So that's on the high level side.
The main thing is, ma'am, to remove the
As long that is there,
the police from here,
Remove the gate and
the rest,
this police,
we
then
leave it in the
there's no problem.
in the
so
government.
what
in the hand
our
of the
people
government.
want is remove this, both polilismen and the
This is temporary.
No,
this one also. No, this one also gate.
No, seriously, madam.
Earlier we can pass through
Madam?
easily from here.
Gate mean.
No, even
what
this
is
morning they
Awak
collect
Suat.
money.
Let's see whether gate is there or not there. Since you have the policemen here, they can collect.
That's all.
Otherwise, gate is not. Gate mean you have to build a house. Mean you can collect money by standing here, so you can collect money. So the things that we want from our side that please send all this to your personal as before back, and then from our side to we will not here, but the people let the people live as usual. That's the only thing.
That's all.
What problem come because you erect the kit here and you put this personal here, then problem come. Otherwise, remove all this personal your police and remove all the gate, then there is no problem. That from our side we will assure
you
you.
are the head of district. So and from your side, I'm giving you a suggestion, advice from everyone here. We're giving a very strong message to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. As long as border dispute is not being settled, so kindly clear out this place. That is from our side.
And the wisdom of the government to settle this border issue.
Okay. Both them. Please.
Let us
Madam, we make sure by this week, please.
Let's see.
Yang ki rule sing balang prepare kita nak buat beri trap mata sing lawan apa kanduli ban layo ban syong ke jingalang rangkat bagi mengilam snong jong kanduli bagi dia orang ba ni ka thang snong ke badan kaput bagi ni ka snong bagi ni ka jela asam dalam long ka bagi jan bagi distrik Karbi Anglong te kumajian adu ki tio adap pi ba ke jingle bor ka sang kapor apok ni kaput ke jongi kalau pembitar yau bun balang kam tami nong sosok kanduli but kilami daki bor snong ban put ya katai ka ngam nong ka signboard jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kepada ka entry tax gate jong ka council henry ngi sutu sai katai ka gate wo hantai kadai ka encroachment ini dalam nong ka jing kentur put ka Karbi Anglong support ka district West Zentia ni support Karbi dan support ka state support ka jela ka jongi but la sutu sai ba ka ajang ka jingap ya pistu sai ba ka dai ka jing thumu ka jongki namar ba la thu ba kelajan geni ka jing put halor apa deng ka jela Asam ba jela Meghalaya ka jingle ka jongki ka dong ka pelong provok yang song slong namar ba ka dai hapo put usam dong slong kanduli temene la yang kermat khmat ba disi ba ikut noilam sing balang boper nanta ba ki noilam snong but ila pha ka kubur ka batenge ya Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bakim dai provok dan pensit ka por dia up hadu ba kini ki arli ki menteri rangba jong jela Asam bat Meghalaya jui baki pinbait yo put usam tadi ke puan pinbait
dia cemu gedisi yang ki Karbi Anglong kam ju SP yang ki dia kelami ki le kular ki wa nadu betu wa weng nak ki kata ga taxkit kam ju le weng si polis ke mitai kenang wa yo laj kawan ini yang ini songkan lile lamci bagi pai ba nada weng kita ga taxkit no betu ida ga khai paten bai bai kamu ju man ye metu ye pai chwai mesti komon man ko bagi kelam ni man kam gatu dalam man kan kam jing kelami penyu wa khai paten lai bai nanti lai dum wa klem em ga jing senyau dengan tu ida i Karbi Anglong le ye ki wan ye i sa i ida ye la chaki la da ga taxkit em de go hita kam ju bisu em ka ye khai ka bai i Karbi kamu ju i kata tok ga jing kelam ni yang ga do ba songkan